Problem 71 kind of sets us up for some future problems and trying to make sense of what's going on when we have I to different exponents. So as we took a look at in class or the lesson today, I is the same thing as the square root of -1. And since that's the case, if I square that and square both sides, the square and square root cancel each other out, so I squared equals -1. So that was from the lesson. That means that I to the third is going to be the same thing as I squared times I to the first. Well, I squared is -1, so that means we have -1 times I, which is then -I. So that's why I to the third equals -I. So now the question is, well, what does I to the fourth equal? Well, I to the fourth is the same thing as I squared times I squared, which is -1 times the -1, which then is 1. That will then set us up for the next couple lessons and in homework where we're going to have a lot of other crazy exponents other than 4.